Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on Android. If you want to activate Do Not Disturb mode on your Android phone, so you just need to follow these steps. The first step is that you just have to just skip it down, and here just scroll it to right, and here you can see the option of Do Not Disturb. Just tap on it and then it will be enabled. But if you can't find it in your status bar, so you just need to open your mobile settings, and here you'll get a search option. Just tap on it and now just search for Do Not Disturb. Just search for it, and here you can see the option of Do Not Disturb. Just tap on it, and now here the settings of Do Not Disturb. Just tap on it, and here you can easily enable Do Not Disturb mode on your Android phone. So that's how you can enable or activate Do Not Disturb mode in your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.